In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, a teacher from St. Thomas is on a mission to improve literacy numbers in communities in St. Thomas. Kayan Morgan reports.
Inspired to help others be great. This a teacher from Dalby St. Thomas, Claudius Wong, created an intervention program aimed at assisting the young and old to read.
We go around the communities and we check to see those persons who are willing to learn how to read, those who are having challenges. And we don't discriminate, and it doesn't matter their age group, we work with them.
A teacher at Happy Grove High in Portland, Mr. Wong says from a tender age, he struggled.
I didn't go to basic school, so I couldn't read well at primary school. I started reading well at grade 9. Good? And so with that, I have this love, this crave, this desire to ensure that everybody can learn to read. I do believe that every child and every individual can read, but everyone will not learn to read the same way or at the same level.
A memory he'll never forget is the embarrassment he faced after sitting his common entrance.
One of the senior students saw me at school and she was pointing me out to her friends. There is the young man, he couldn't spell this and couldn't spell that, and they laugh at me.
It is why he's so invested to help over 20 students at the Golden Grove Primary in St. Thomas and adults from his church at the Nazareth Assembly Hall in the parish.
We believe that your attitude determines your behavior. Your attitude is that feeling that you have. You know, you think about yourself. Many of us, we have low self-esteem. We believe that we can't. So if we believe that you can, then your behavior will show that, okay, you show confidence and you'll be able to do it.
Oswald Thompson expressed his gratitude.
I'm far behind, so this will help me make a step up.
He called me and I did turn up. It's a special thing he's doing for Dalby.
Teacher and Mr. Wong's sister Rosemary Wong, who is also a volunteer, is imploring others to not be ashamed.
It's good if you can read because information will no longer be hidden from you. You no longer see things and not know what it is. You'll not be able to probably sign a form or do something. So I'm just calling out the persons, come out.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.